नमस्कार सर्जन्स, मैं कुमार अंशु, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एंड को फाउंडर बॉट्स एंड ब्रेन्स। OBnB ब्रांड के क्रिस्प AI 2.0 के इस वीडियो में आज मैं आप लोगों को ये दिखाने वाला हूं कि कितना आसान होता है क्रिस्प AI 2.0 को इंस्टॉल करना आपके लैपटॉप पे। अगर आप अपने क्रिस्प AI 2.0 को अपने लैपटॉप के साथ रन करना चाहते हैं और अपना सारा का सारा वीडियो और सारी की सारी सर्जरीज लैपटॉप से करना चाहते हैं तो बहुत ही आसान होता है ये करना। ऑल्टरनेटिवली आप अपने लैपटॉप को डायरेक्टली अपने टेलीविजन के साथ भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हो और वीडियो गेमिंग मॉनिटर या फिर आपके जो सर्जिकल मॉनिटर है आप उसके साथ भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात, आपके मॉनिटर में कौन सा पोर्ट है एज एन इनपुट इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट। जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि हमारा ये जो कैमरा है क्रिस्प AI 2.0 कैमरा है वो दो केबल्स के साथ आता है। एक जो कि USB इजी कैप अडेप्टर है और दूसरा जो कि आपके कैमरे के आउटपुट को AV के द्वारा किसी भी डिस्प्ले डिवाइस से कनेक्ट कर सकता है। तो अगर आपके डिस्प्ले डिवाइस में ये पोर्ट नहीं है, AV पोर्ट नहीं है इनपुट की तरह, तो आप उसको नहीं देख पाओगे। या तो जैसे बहुत सारे गेमिंग मॉनिटर्स जो बहुत सारे सर्जन्स यूज करते हैं, उस गेमिंग मॉनिटर में HDMI का इनपुट होता है, AV का इनपुट नहीं होता है। तो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू यूज अ लैपटॉप to indirectly transfer these videos to your monitor. How we are going to do it is a very simple job. Let me explain it to you through a real life demonstration. तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले हम खोलेंगे google.com, हम सबका चहीता और फेवरेट। Just go there and type OBS Studio. After typing OBS Studio, you will see lot of links, but you have to click on the very first link, which is OBS project link. Once you click on the OBS project link, you will have to go to the download section of that on the top right. And after clicking on the download, you will have three different options for the three different operating systems: MacBook, Windows, and Linux. For MacBook, you have two options for installer. One is for the ARM processor and another is for the Intel processor. Just check your configuration of the laptop and install the right installer. However, 90% of you are going to use your Windows laptop in your operation theater. So let's go and check out the Windows option. You will just have one option. In that option, you install the first installer. And once that 64-bit installer is downloaded, you need to open that file and double click on that particular file. Click on next, again install, and then it will take 30 seconds to 40 seconds max to unpack all the things. And you have to launch. This is how your launch will appear, and you will get three options during the launch. The first option says, do you want to optimize it for streaming and not for recording? Or you want to optimize it for recording and streaming is your secondary need? Or third is, do you want to use it as a virtual camera for any Zoom call or any different types of call? You have to select this second option because you want to record these videos and click on next. After clicking on the second option, you have to click on next. Here, you will have to select your base resolution. So canvas is something that you're seeing at the back. This is where you will see the video output of your camera. So your camera is a full HD meaning this resolution that you're seeing, 1920 into 1080 pixels. So select that resolution, don't go lower than that. And in frame per second, you have to select the highest. So select 30, 60 because this camera is not going to take you to 60 frames per second. So you have to keep it till 30 and click on next. It is going to ask you for the final result and validation from your side. Just check it out. It is nothing that you can change there. So you just click on apply settings. You are ready to rock and roll. So this is the OBS interface that you're seeing. So click on the plus sign here. You will have lots of input options, but you have to choose video capture device. So once you choose video capture device, it is going to by default click on OK, and it is going to by default show your laptop camera as the primary camera. You have to go to the drop down here and select AV to USB 2.0, which is the name of this camera. Just select AV to USB 2.0 and that's it. You are able to see it, right? So you must first go and select the best resolution. Don't leave it on default. So click on custom, go to resolution drop down, and here select the highest one, which is 1080p resolution, full HD resolution. And after that, you can see the aspect ratio change to 16:9, which is a bigger screen, I would say. Go to the FPS and select the highest FPS or 30 FPS, because the output from the camera is 30 frames per second. That's good enough for you. After that, you can select the video format as well. Any will not, it's not recommended. Go for the best one, which is here, the second one. And after that, you can go to color space and color range setup as well. So in color space, choose the last one, as I have done here. And in the color range, you go and select the full range, not the limited range, and you are ready to rock and roll this camera. So you are seeing the best quality. We have already kind of played around with the quality here. Click on OK. Now, sometimes this display may seem little small for you, but remember, this software is for recording the video as well as seeing the video on your laptop. You can always connect your laptop. You can make it big by clicking on these double boxes on the top right. See how easy it is. And the moment you click on the last one, and see, this is big enough. So this is the video size that you can see on laptop alone. You can zoom in, zoom out, you can focus, whatever your camera allows, you can do everything here. So this is the demo. You can do your white balancing, you can do anything and everything that you can do with your camera. So I hope you like this video. And in case still you have some technical queries, anything, any question, any queries, you have the WhatsApp number on the display. Please feel free to WhatsApp us. Take care of yourself.